Hey everybody, welcome to video number 4, okay? And in this video, you're gonna need those colors again, and you're gonna need your paper folded in half, okay? And you can take your color or pencil and go over the fold line. Now, if you need to get prepared, go ahead and pause the video, get your stuff, and then join me again when you're ready, okay? Now, in this video, we are going to finish up our words with long and short vowel patterns, okay? Now, where we left off in the last video, the vowel is not always long on its own, okay? In fact, a lot of times that vowel needs another vowel with it so it can say its name. It needs some help, okay? Especially if we have the long vowel sound in the middle of the word, okay? Where that vowel can't say its name on its own. And that's what we're going to have here in these words. We're going to have a long vowel sound in the middle. So let's think about that as we write. And on this side, we're going to put this word, C-U-T-E. Okay? Now, with your other color, we're going to go over the vowels of this word. Now, you see we have 2 of them. Now, if you don't have your color, you can just underline. We have U, and then we have magic E at the end. Okay, so we have 2 vowels. Okay, and when we have 2 vowels in the word, like with magic E, a lot of times that means a long vowel sound. So let's mark it, or let's mark the 2 vowels for that 2 vowel rule for a long vowel sound, like we did in the video with the vowels walking. Okay, first vowel does the talking, says it's mark it long. Second vowel does the walking and stays silent, okay? So we won't hear that second vowel, that magic E at the end. Okay, now connect them together. We might have 2 vowels, but the 2 vowels make only one sound together, a long vowel sound, okay? With that first vowel, with just the first vowel, making the sound saying its name. So since that U is first, U magic E together will be long U, okay? So let's read it with U. That U is first, so it's going to be long U, U. K, U, t, cute. Okay? Now, in that word, you have a true long U. The U is saying its name. Now go ahead and put a label and put ME for magic E, okay? Because that's how we're making the long vowel sound in this word. We're doing it with magic E. Okay, what I would like you to do is I would like you to draw something that's very cute, okay? And we're just going to draw for just a few seconds, okay? So again, do a quick draw. You can color them in later, okay? Alrighty, go. And I might be able to draw this to where you can see what it is. Okay, time's up. Okay, what I drew that I think is cute, okay, is my dog. So I would like to see what you drew that was cute, but we'll have to share later, okay? Alrighty, let's go ahead and do our last word. On the other side, put T-E-A-C-H. Okay? Now take your color and go over the vowels in this word, okay? You see how we have 2 vowels in the word, E and A, so go over, okay? Alrighty, and you can see how our 2 vowels are side by side, making a vowel team, okay? So when we have 2 vowels together as a vowel team, a lot of times that means a long vowel sound. So let's mark the vowels for that 2 vowel rule for a long vowel. First vowel does the talking, says its name, so mark it long. Second vowel does the walking, stays silent. We're not going to hear it. So underline them together, okay? So we have 2 vowels, but the 2 vowels will make just one sound together, okay? A long vowel sound, where just the first vowel makes the sound and says its name. Okay? So since this E is first, E-A together will be E, long E. So let's read it with eat, each, teach. Okay? Alrighty. Now, go ahead and put VT as the label, VT. And really, the only difference between vowel team and Magic E is that consonant in between. Okay? Magic E has the consonant in between. With vowel team, the vowels are just side by side. But it's that same two vowel rule for a long vowel. Okay? That first vowel will be long, say its name. Now, let's go ahead and do a quick draw and draw something you would like to teach somebody else. Okay? And I'm going to do the same. And we're going to check back in. Okay, time's up. Okay, what I would like to teach somebody else to improve my own skills is working on the computer. Okay, so I would like to see what you drew, but we'll have to do that some other time. Okay. All righty. Let's take a look at what we've done here. I'd like to show you something very important. So please, please pay attention to this. This is important. Okay, let's take a look here. If we take the magic E out of cute, now we have a short U closed up by itself. So now the word is cut. Okay? Now, if I take the A out of teach, now the word is tech. We would have that CHB at the end, tech. Okay, like computers. Okay, now we have a short E closed up by itself. Okay, so this is why we have two vowels making a long vowel sound a lot of times, especially if that long vowel sound is in the middle of the word. Okay, that's when we need another vowel with it, like magic E or vowel team. So that first vowel can say its name and be long. Okay, alrighty. Otherwise, if we don't have that other vowel there, that vowel's going to be closed up by itself, quick and short, and we're going to go back to this pattern. Okay? Alrighty. Very, very good. So, let's summarize what we've done, okay? And move on to something new, okay? Now, let's think about all the different ways we've made a long vowel. We can make the long vowel sound with two vowels together, like magic E and vowel team. And we can make the vowel long on its own. So 1, 2, 3 ways. That's the trick with long vowel sounds, all the different ways to make it. And the vowel is only short usually when it's closed up by itself. So here are our short and long vowel patterns. Okay, now we didn't do a lot with these, but you have lots of long vowel words. In fact, any vowel can be long with magic E, and you have lots of different vowel teams. We just did one word as an example. Okay. Alrighty. We are going to stop there, and I will see you in the next video where we're going to focus in on our key sounds.